Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Witchfire game stuttering, crashing, lagging or the freezing problem. I will show you guys the very effective solution that fixed your problem definitely. So first make a right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager. Now here you will see all the background apps. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. If these are above the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol and you will see the apps that are consuming the most of your RAM or the CPU on the top. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and then just click on the end task. Then go to the startups on the top and guys here you will see all the background apps. So when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So you just need to make a right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. Now the next important setting is the control panel settings. So go to the Windows setup with the control panel and open it. Now you will see the view bar on the top, then just select it to the large icons. Then just click on the power options. Now here on the left hand side you will see the option of create a power plan. Click on that, then just select the high performance power plan for your PC. This will increase your FPS and fix any kind of problems, then just create it. So once you created it, now the next important setting or the solution to fix this problem is the system configuration. So go to the Windows set, type it and open it. Now here you will see the boot on the top, so just click on that, then just click on the advanced options. Then just check this box of the number of processors and then just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, any value, then just select it, then just click on the OK, then just go to the services on the top and then just check this box of the hide all Microsoft services, and now you'll see all the services that are useless and causing your game crash. So just disable all of this. As you can see, I have already disabled all of the services. Then just click on the apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. So once you restart your PC, launch the game and your any kind of stuttering problem will be faced with this game. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.